Hello students, welcome to the class. There are 8 parts of speech in English language. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now, in this slide, you can see 3 images. You have to name what part of speech they are. Look at the first image, the second one and the third one. Can you name them? Yes. Pencils, flower and sand. And you all know noun means the name of the person, place or thing. And verb means all the action words. Adjective means the qualifying words of the noun. So now, can you tell me what are these 3 images? Yes, they are noun. How many of each noun is shown in this picture? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3 pencils and 1 flower and sand. How are you going to count that? You don't know? Can we say 1 sand, 2 sands, 5 sands, 20 sands, 1000 sands, 500 sands, 100 sands? No, it's wrong. We cannot say in that way. Then how can you say that? There is a lot of sand. Yes. If anybody asks you how much of sand is there, you can say there is a lot of sand. Not there are 100 sands. Think, why is this? This is because sand is made up of numerous uncountable grains or particles, and it is very difficult to count them. So we call it as uncountable. In this lesson, we will learn about nouns that can be counted and also those that cannot be counted. There are 2 kinds of nouns, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. The name itself suggests that there are nouns that can be counted. And uncountable nouns these are the nouns that cannot be counted. Now, dear children, sort the following words into countable and uncountable nouns. Egg, salt, apple, grass, milk, bed, girl, oil, bottle and water. Now, take out your notebook and divide the page into 2 columns, countable and uncountable nouns, and sort them out. I'll give you the time. Your time starts now. Is that done? Now let us see the answer. Countable nouns: egg, apple, bed, girl, bottle. And the uncountable nouns are salt, grass, milk, oil and water. Have you done that in the correct way? Now, let us know more about countable nouns. Countable nouns are those that can be counted. Here you can see some examples. Tree, you can count that 1, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4 trees, like that. And house, you can count them too. Chair, you can count. Dog, you can count. And book, that also can be counted. And here, can you think of some other examples for countable nouns? Yes, finger, eye, chocolate, door, friend, ice cream, and so on. Now, dear children, look at this. Countable nouns take either a singular or a plural form. Here you can see the example. Singular, in the column singular, means one. The name itself tells you that singular means single, one. One car is here and one flower is here, so we can say a flower. And here, for the car, we can, by adding plural form to that, we can say 2 cars. And here, flowers. You can see many flowers here, so we say many flowers. Now, write down the plural forms for the given words. Apple, box, man, family, thief, disease, child, witch, wolf, and mango. I think you all have studied it in your 5th standard or 6th standard itself. I hope you are done. Shall we see the correct answers? Here they are. Apple, apples. Box, boxes. Man, men. Family, families. Thief, thieves. Disease, diseases. Child, children. Witch, witches. Wolf, wolves. Mango, mangoes. Are your answers correct? Let's go to the next one. Now let us learn more about uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those that cannot be counted. As we have tried in counting sand. We couldn't count 1 sand, 2 sands like that, but instead we used another way of expressing that. Here you can see the pictures of sand, water, and salt. These we cannot count 1, 2, 3 like that. And now, dear children, notice one thing here. Uncountable nouns are always used in the singular form. Just read the sentence and observe that. Can I have 3 glasses of water? I would like 2 spoons of sugar in my milk. He bought 4 kilos of rice. Here, we never said waters, milks, or rices. You know why? Now, to show uncountable nouns that are more than one, we use some special words such as much, a little, some, and etc. Here, observe the example. There is so much bad news on TV. Here, why we have used so much for the news? For that, news is an uncountable noun because there is more than one news. So, we used so much here. And now let us look at the same thing again. Exact measurements or units. When we speak about that, a cup of, 2 kilos of, 3 grams of, while we name the uncountable nouns. Example, just observe the sentence. I left a cup of milk in the fridge. I want 2 kilos of jaggery. I want 3 grams of sugar. Like that, you can see some examples, and now try to make sentences by using these phrases. Take your notebook and write down these phrases and make some sentences by using them. Little money, a lot of trouble, slices of bread, so much fun, strands of hair. Do this as your homework. More examples of uncountable nouns. Here, they have given so many examples for uncountable nouns. I'm going to read, listen. Music, art, love, happiness, advice, information, news, furniture, luggage. And we have heard some people using furnitures, but it is wrong. Furniture itself, the plural. So we should not use yes for furniture. It is just furniture, not furnitures. In the same way, rice, sugar, butter, water, electricity, gas, power, money, and currency. And one more homework for you today is, on your way home or just get out of your house and roam around there and look at the objects around you carefully. Write down 5 examples of countable nouns and 5 examples of uncountable nouns. Thank you.